Here are all of my fidgets. I'm going to just show you them first. So we got this first one. This is the fidget cube. It's not the original fidget cube. You can see because this one has a case. It's small enough. It's smaller than the normal one, so it's just a normal white one, but it's small enough to have a case around it. The case got a keychain. Android Finger. So I'm gonna show you. So here, this is just a smooth spot. You can just rub your finger on it. Feels pretty nice. Here we have, this is kind of just like you can just like spin it. I'm pretty sure somebody said they spelled fidget cube wrong. I know this is not the original. The fidgets are really popular, and they're actually banned in my school. So here which I'm pissed, but here we have like, it's kind of like what's on that 3D, on the 3DS. So yeah. Here's part, it kind of looks like a dice and a controller. My aunt, she has the same one, except the buttons are like a Nintendo. See these two, you could just push down. Doesn't make any noise. These three, push down. It makes like a cracking noise. Here is, this is a kind of like a ball or something, and these are like gears. Just move them. So like here's the ball, you can like move it around, and then if you push down it makes sound. Oh, and also the original one, this part is up more and you're able to push it down, but this one's down all the way. Right, and here's kind of like a it's kind of like a switch hook, or I'm probably saying wrong. It makes loud noise. And my aunt got me this, the same one with that fidget cube that looks like Nintendo. Here we got a fidget spinner in yellow. I got this at a store in Philadelphia. I don't really remember what it's called, but and I think my aunt got me the fidget cube off Amazon. It's hard to spin it all the way with one hand. Here's a glow-in-the-dark green one. I got it at this new store called Rocket Fizz. I don't really, it glows in the dark, but I think it only glows in the dark when you spin it. I don't know. Sorry, it's hard to spin it with one hand. But yeah. The final one, this is a gold one. This I got off Amazon. This actually just came today. Oh, this is kind of spinning better, well, because this one's kind of lighter and stuff. Looks like a fan a little bit. Yeah, those are all of them. Meow. 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 Looks like a key if you look from here. So yeah, that's it. Peace.